we're going to see no other than I'm gapping your city, Mr. Student of the Game, Jack B. Quick.
Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
But look at this city though. Downtown areas always look so good, like from afar. I mean, you get down there, it get a little grimy, but, or at least Atlanta does. Man, look at the graffiti. How did they get that high up? Oh, we gotta head down that way. Oh, this is dope. Oh, yes, sir. Yo, the bat. We're in Houston, baby. Yo, this is super dope. Let me get this camera off. One, because it is hot, but let me get some pictures and reels of this because this is super duper dope. And oh, you looking so good in that sun.
Yo, this is super dope. They gotta know me to know me that I love graffiti. Trill. H-Town, baby. Yo, the vet. We're in Houston, baby.
To do this, yo, this is dope, bro. Like, come on, Trill, come on, Slick Rick, like, come on, man, bro. I'm gonna have to pull out my gimbal, bro. This is too good for me not to have my gimbal. Give me a second. Uh-oh, Quick back on the beam. Woo! Feeling like home? I get that every time I jump on a Kawasaki, I get that feeling, bro. I'm instantly comfortable on Kawasaki's. Yeah. Everyone I jump on, I'm comfortable, bro.
It feels right, man.
Yeah. Ooh. These roads, Houston. Alright, Houston, I'm gonna need y'all to get these roads together. I didn't know there was another side of the... There's a Goku over there! Yeah! I didn't know that! Alright, we might have to make another trip down here. I didn't know there was another side. Ooh, man, I think this is definitely worse than Atlanta. Holy crap! Sheesh! All right, San Antonio, we headed toward you. That's not even about biking, it has me giggling. Goodness gracious. Bro. Oh, I love R1s. What you think? You gonna trade in the Beamer? Yeah. Woo, man! Calm down, my boy. Calm down, my boy. It's coming. Calm down, my boy. You gonna eat. You are gonna eat. The bat is hungry. This place is packed. It is packed going around the building.
Baller man. He's about to hit. Y'all got to come here, bro. The meat is, you couldn't see it. Dang it, I missed it. The meat is dripping as they pulling out the thing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can your meat move like that? Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Ooh, look at it. Like what? Look at that juice falling out. Bro, that's delicious. They look good too, bro.
I can't get everything.
I know, that's why I can't do too much.
I'm not messing with it. Somebody else might have to, I might have to steal one reel.
Money. Man, got this down to a science. Good. Bro, this about to get down with the get down, my boy.
Man, that food was good. I feel like a daggum log in water right now, bro. Sheesh, dude, do that. Man, you know how it is after you eat. Oh, look at the Lady Samurai. Y'all know how it is after you eat. Especially heavy barbecue. I'm ready for a daggum nap. Oh, man. Coming through. All right, all right. Woo! Oh, yo! What the heck? Yo! Holy crap! Yo, that is insane! How big is this big? Yo! That is sick! Yo! Holy crap! Yo! Yo, that's insane! So what?
What are the chances of this happening though?
Bro, this is crazy!
Didn't even have any plans to come to
Didn't at all, bro! Yeah, this is insane, bro. This is dope. This is dope. Oh, sorry. My bad. I wasn't looking. My bad. I was not paying attention. Sorry, guys. I had no idea that was even a thing. Wow. They don't even, I wasn't even, I'm so used to Georgia and traffic lights being in the middle. I had no idea they would be on the edge. I completely missed that. Sorry, guys. Oh. That ain't Goku. Never mind. Hey man, that's not Goku. I thought that was Goku. I said, that's not Goku. I thought that was Goku.
Where?
Right there. That's not Goku. But I'm still gonna get this picture though. I thought it was Goku.
Thought I seen Goku.
When you said Goku, I was excited too.
Yeah.
Goku over there. I said, okay. You saw
That's why I was like, oh, then we pull around here. I'm like, that's not Goku. I was like, cause we passed it going this way, and I was like, oh, that's Goku. No. Then we get over here, I'm like, that's not Goku.
Hey, that's why y'all see me avoiding all the manholes. You in that red light, right? Yeah, I was
Dude, I'm used to the traffic being in the middle.
I'm like, oh shit.
They're on the edges. I'm like, oh.
Then they looked, and then I was looking at the light behind it, because that was green. Yeah. Like 2 or 3 of them.
Bro.
Green, but that
Yes, sir. Let's get it. Oh, it feels so good. It's starting to get warm. 75 is perfect, but when you're sitting still in gear, it gets a little warm. This is one of the beautiful things about being on a bike, is just being open, being one with the bike, but not only the bike, but just you're one with the elements. Like, so the wind blowing, you feel it. The temperature change, you feel it. You know, like you can feel that, man, the ground's getting warm with all this traffic. You can feel, man, it's about the rain. The temperature is changing. You can smell things like before they happen, bro. It's something amazing about this feeling, about being on the road. It's very hard to describe if you've never been there before, but it's so freeing. It's almost like, you know, they talk about grounding where your feet touch the ground. It's almost like you're touching the ground, but you're on a motorcycle. Doing 160, 170, 200 miles an hour. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. And the bike will do what you say do. And it's amazing. It's amazing. It's Oh, heck yeah. Oh, this way. Quick, see, that was a little taste tester. That's a little taste tester of what you gonna get, my boy. Oh, got the boost on there, okay. Over to you. Let's get in there, man! Let's get in there, man! Oh, heck yeah! Oh, heck yeah! Yes, sir! Take it to my 4th gear to get them. Woo! Oh, wow! Oh, gosh, that was hard. Ouch! So. Oh, I lost my sound piece. that bump knocked it off, yeah. Daggone bump, that jump was hard as heck. I'm gonna have to give me another sound clip. So the sound's gonna be different here on out. Heck yeah, Bat. You got a little taste, We're gonna get some more. We was about to get another one. And that's unstrapped, guys. That is straight up. Y'all see the front wheel come up? That's unstrapped. That's just straight up getting to it. That was tight, boy. That was good. You had my front wheel off the ground and everything, bro. All right, Texas, I'm over your rolls today. Gosh. Man, these freaking bumps done, holy crap. Got a random issue to unlock my, I might have to zip tie it, but then lock my brake reservoir loose. But I'm pretty sure Quick got a bolt back at his house where he can handle that. Yeah, Houston, y'all gonna need some better roads, that's all I'm gonna say. You never know what God be protecting you from, so I'm glad he stopped that run and the way that he did, and it wasn't anything worse or more catastrophic. All right, dude and dudettes, that is officially gonna do it for the first half of Friday, day one. We about to have a good time here in Houston. Quick, I appreciate you inviting us down, having us down, bro. I'm gonna keep saying it because I want you to know it is not because of motorcycles. I know that originally brought us together, but again, we're so far past that, bro. I love you, bro. Do you? I am proud of you and what you've done in the community and everything you're gonna continue to do. I'm excited to have a good time, my boy. Woo! Yeah, man, shout out to Taylor Made. The bat performs in it. I mean, I can go from casual to like, all right, let's get it, to spirited, back to casual, and the bike is completely fine, completely at home. Man, it's freaking beautiful. Taylor Made. If you need your bike tuned, you need your bike worked, whatever you need, Taylor Made got you covered, bro.
Belum sekolah. Namake. 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 Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake.
Show the camera, bruh. Oh!
Hey. Look, this is how